Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to jailbreak your iOS device. It does not matter if you have an iPhone or iPad, this works with all devices, and I'll show you right now the latest iOS version that I'm running, iOS 12.2. We all want to customize our phones, but we can't with the normal iPhone software, so we need to jailbreak our devices. And in order to do that, go to Jailbreak 12.live. Okay. Once you're on the website, press Start Jailbreak, and it is already connecting and verifying the device to see if it's compatible. Don't worry, it is compatible with 95+% of iOS devices. And we have to confirm if this is the correct version of iOS that we are running. It is correct. It is the latest version. Now press confirm and make sure that you backed up your device. And as you can see, the jailbreak process has already started. We are going to customize our phone through an app called Cydia. This software will help us get Cydia on our phone, but first we have to complete a verification to ensure that no bots are abusing the site, the servers are clean, and the jailbreak software is not sold on the internet, so it can remain free. So let's download and open two apps for around 30 seconds. I'll start with the first app, Hotspot Shield VPN. Let's download it. And now just follow my steps. We have to connect to the VPN for around 30 seconds. Okay, as you can see, the method is quite simple. It does not take more than a few minutes to complete it. And after this, we'll download and open a second app again for 30 seconds, just to make sure we pass the verification. Let's wait a few more seconds and then we'll close the app. That's enough. Let's close the app. And now let's go back to our browser and download the second app again for 30 seconds. We'll use it. Let's wait. Any second now. Let's open it and do some human interaction on the app, which means using the app for 30 seconds to get Cydia on our devices, so we can start customizing our iOS device. Let's wait for a few more seconds just to make sure. That's enough. Now let's restart our phone. And let's see now if I have Cydia on my device. Yes, there it is guys, Cydia has just been installed. The jailbreak process was successful. Now I can customize my phone as I wish. Hope this tutorial helped you guys. Have a good day.